I saw this Shafibelo's dress and I remember that I made this particular beaded fringe, but I made it in red and black. So in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to make an ombre beaded fringe. Let's jump in. For this tutorial, we're going to be using the broken glass bead. So we need it in red, we need it in black, and we also need it in a combination of red and black. We also need a strip and we need a matching thread. Naturally, I'll use black, but if I use black, you may not see it. So I have to use red so that you'll be able to see what I'm doing with the red on the black. So first things first, I'm going to turn the back of this strip and I'm going to just tie it right there. Just put the needle in between the thread and tie it. Next what we're going to do is to just put the needle in. Remember, it's at the back we tied. You put the needle into the strip and bring it out in front. So what we have now is that the thread is out of the front and then the back is tied. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to put the black bead first. Remember that in Shafibelo's dress it was black on top and then faded into white. So we're going to be adopting the same method, but this time around ours is going to be fading into red. So now we're going to be using black. Now I'm going to be using 10 inches right here. So what I'm going to do is, you can do it however you want, but what I'm going to do here is that I'm going to make black about 5 inches. So it just remaining half inch for it to be 5, and then I'll make the mix of the red and the black half inch, and then the remaining red would be 4.5 inches. So by the time we add everything together, we're going to have 10. But for the original work I did that particular fringe in 30 inches. I'm going to be showing you at the end of this video. What I did was black in 15 inches, then a mix of black and red 1 inch, and then red in 14 inches. That was how I did it. So right now I have done half inch where I mixed the black and the red, and then now I'm filling in the 4.5 inches with the red. So this right here is what it looks like. So I'm measuring right there, and what I have there is that it is already 4.5. So by the time I measure everything, what I'm going to be seeing is 10 inches, which is what I want. I just did that 10 inches for this tutorial, remember, but I originally did this in 30 inches, and I'm going to show you that at the end of this. So I just pulled the last bead down right there and put the needle into the other 3 beads just so as to help me tie. Cut off the thread right there, open it up, and just tie. So usually I'll advise you not to tie it too much, because if you tie it too much your thread is going to bulge. So I tie a maximum of 4 times, but between 2, 3, 4, yes, but please don't tie more than 4 times. If not, your thread is going to show that you tied it right there. But it is better to tie it twice or 3 times, or maximum of 4 times, just for, so it doesn't fall off. So this is what I did right here. So at the end of the day, this is what it looks like. So the black thread right there, and look in between where you have the mix of both, and then it's finished up with the red, as you can see. So this right here is what the original 30 inches looks like. I couldn't even take the picture in portrait because it was really long. So this right here is what it looks like at the end of the day. I did this in like 2 yards, yeah, so that's what I did it in. And as you can see, for Shafibelo's exact design, the ombre transition, which is that mixed color, was as much as 4 inches, and then they had more black and less white. I also applied the same in mine. I did more black and less red. The idea is so that when the new color is about to be introduced, so it doesn't just come in, it will just give the illusion that, oh, it was introduced gradually. So you see pockets of white here and there until you eventually see the white fringe all the way down. So that's how that fringe was created. If you have any question, ask me. Thanks so much for watching my video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.